The Microsoft Word is very flexible when it comes to the styling of the content that you write in it. And by default, when you copy text into the Microsoft Word, it usually maintains the styling from its source. In some cases, this can be perfectly fine as you may have wanted the exact formatting. Unfortunately, this is also often not the case in some text from the web, as it often comes in a slightly different font, size, color, or even background color. But thankfully, there are a number of options to help you out, and we will show you how in this video tutorial. Now with your Microsoft Word open, with your copied text into the application, there should be a small box just below and to the right side of the copied text that says CTRL. Now you can simply select this icon and select the last option, which is to keep text only, to paste the text with no formatting. But if you would like to change the default paste option, you can do so by clicking this arrow below the paste option from the Home tab. Select Default Paste, and in this section, you configure the settings to your liking. Now that's how you can clear formatting in the Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.